How to change chart height on MEXC application. Are you using MEXC and want to adjust the chart height for a better view of price movements? If yes, follow the steps till the end. First things first, launch open MEXC application on your smartphone or your tablets and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the Markets button from the bottom of the screen. Now, select any trading pair you want to view. I've just opened up this Ethereum USDT trading pair. Once you're inside this Markets page or the chart page, click on the little Adjust menu right next to More above the chart option. In the pop-up, you'll see Chart Height at the bottom. You'll see a little white dot. Simply drag it towards the right to increase the chart height. Decrease it by dragging towards the left and you'll see the chart height increased or decreased. So that's how you can easily customize your chart height on MEXC application. Increasing chart height can reveal candlestick patterns more clearly. Decreasing it allows you to see multiple charts or trading pairs at once. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your chart height on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.